WeCasa welcomes you to Wine Country. This brand new luxury townhome is located in the heart of Naramata village, directly across from the lake with nice sandy swimming beach. Recreation and relaxation is the name of the game in Naramata. You've got boating, water sports, hiking, biking, tennis, pickleball, and golf all at your doorstep. Not to mention over 40 wineries within 10 minutes of the home and some truly outstanding dining options, highlighted by the Naramata Inn, a mere 300 meters down the street. Let's go inside. The main floor here features overheight ceilings, big windows, tons of natural light. The open concept kitchen is great for chefs and entertainers. The dining area easily accommodates 6, and the spacious living area has great views towards the lake. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and laundry room. Highlighted by the primary bedroom with spectacular views, walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. The rooftop deck is probably my favorite part of the home. Full outdoor kitchen with covered and heated dining area, gas fireplace, and honestly, these views just don't get any better. You've also got an oversized 2-car garage with lots of rooms for bikes, paddle boards, kayaks, and all your gear. And that's it for the tour. Please reach out anytime with questions. Happy to arrange a private tour for you anytime. Bye for now.